Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to do this assignment in preparation for your midterm. This is an assignment that is asking you to do a harmonic analysis, which means the Roman numerals, and also if the chord is inverted, you have to add the figured bass numbers. So the first thing is you have to figure out the key. We look at the first chord, we look at the last chord. The last chord, if I put it in a closed position, it would be, let me get my markup going here. This is a photograph, not Fourscore. Okay, so here I see B in the bass. I see a D in the tenor, which I will put closer to the bass. And I see an F sharp up in the alto. That looks like a B minor chord. B, D, F sharp. Let's go check out the beginning here. What do we see over here? Get bigger there. All right, so I see a D in the bass this time, and I see an F sharp in the alto, and I see a B in the tenor and the bass. Well, I still don't have quite enough information. I need to put it in its prime closed form. So how about B, D, F sharp? Now I can see it. That is B, D, F sharp. And I'm guessing here that I'm going to be in the key of B minor, since both my first chord and my last chord in this case are both one chords in B minor. This is a minor one chord. Not really, sorry, I'm not so good at editing in pictures yet. Okay, so if that's the one chord, then the black chord to the left of it is how we actually see it presented. So it's B, D, F sharp, D, F sharp, B. That's a 1-6 chord. So all this stuff in blue is not the real analysis. This is just how we had to figure out what the chord was. But the black number here, that is how it's presented. That is a 1-6 chord. Let's do the same process with the second chord that we see. So let's do the same thing again. I see a C sharp, F sharp up in the altos. I'll put it here. And the sopranos are doubling the C sharp, which we already have in the bass, but here's an A sharp. C, F sharp, A sharp. It's not in its prime form, so let's unscramble it. How about F sharp, A sharp, C sharp? Now, I already knew the answer to this one. That's why I got it so fast. If you were figuring it out from the first time, you'd have to play with C sharp, F sharp, and A sharp and juggle the order around until you have a triad figure. Now, when you do that, F sharp is scale degree 5 of B minor. B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. So it's a dominant chord. Now, again, that's not the answer that we are looking for because we're analyzing the black chord. So if you take the blue chord and you go F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F sharp, and then the second time C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, that's what we're looking at here. So this is a 5 chord in 6/4 inversion, second inversion. Here's how I got it. You can measure the outside edges. C sharp up to A sharp is a 6th. C sharp up to F sharp is a 4, and that's where we get those numbers right there. Okay, so the answer to that is 5, 6, 4. And we'll do one more chord, the downbeat of bar 2. So I see a B in the bass, a B in the tenor, an F sharp in the alto, and a D in the soprano. Oh, wow, we got lucky on this one. This is already in root position. It's stacked in triads. We don't really need to do anything to this. This is just a plain old 1 chord. So you proceed in the same manner in your analysis, and we already know that this one is also a 1 chord at the end. You know, a lot of times, in fact, in the kind of music that we are studying, this common practice harmony, the 5 chord, or I should say a dominant chord, usually cadences out at the end of pieces 5-1 or 5-7-1 or something like that. So I'm wondering if this piece is going to do the same thing. Let's just take a peek and see if statistically we're right. So I see an F sharp here, and I see an A sharp up in the altos, and I see a C sharp up in the sopranos, and I see F sharp in the tenor, but we already have an F sharp down here. Oh my goodness. I think my hypothesis was right. That's a 5 chord. All right. Now, you guys do the rest yourself, and we'll check your answer on Wednesday.